Oh my God. More palettes. I think I'm done with Boxycharm. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you what I got from my Boxycharm box for the month of November. Yes, November. So if you want to see what I got in here, keep watching. So the first thing I see is this card. Very fall, harvest. It's called Harvest, obviously. And there's pumpkins. Okay, so like always, the list of stuff is on here. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Bubble wrap. So the first thing I see is this right here. This is Earth Harbor Helois. Anti-pollution youth ampoule, red algae plus plant stem cells. Right here. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, that's pretty. Oops. So here it is right here. Super beautiful. I love the packaging. So this one right here. Not sure if you have to like. Oh, it smells like fresh. Okay, so let's read about this one right here. So this is Earth Harbor Naturals. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anti-pollution youth ampoule, named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun, Helios. Anti-pollution youth ampoule is an almighty ambrosia brimming with ultra-perative plant stem cells and a fountain of youth, preserving red algae, restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. And this right here retails for $48. I'm excited to try this because I'm out of my other serum. Okay, so that is that. So the next thing I see is right here. It's in a brown packaging. I'm not sure if that's the way it was supposed to come. Never received another palette. So I've been getting palettes lately and I don't really use them. So I had to go on my Boxycharm and change my whole quizzing beauty thing to I don't want any more palettes. So we'll see how that works out. So here is the Natasha Denona palette. These are really pretty actually. These are like neutrals. And then this one is like a little shimmer right here towards the end. So this is Aya right here. Jasper, Thorn, Amhara, and then Shine. So those are really pretty. Let me go ahead and do a swatch really quick. So I'm gonna do the first one, which is the light one, which is Aya swatch. So that's really light. Next one is like an orangey color. Oh, that's pretty. That's really. One is a brown. Hoping you can see that, you guys. The next color is like a peachy color. And then last but not least is the shimmer, which is gonna be glorious, I feel. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So this one I might keep. after I just said I don't really want more palettes, but okay. So this right here is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. It's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches for her favorite palette, reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas for the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long, which I probably will because I love more neutral colors and nothing like super crazy. It's just, like, I like to play with the eye makeup, but I prefer something like this. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna use this. And this one actually retails for $48. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one for sure. Okay, so the next thing I see is this right here from Bodyography. And this one, it is, doesn't say, eye pencil 2-pack.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us.
Eye pencils right here in the color Black Walnut and Onyx. Which are really cute actually. So let's do Black Walnut first. And it's funny because I said I wanted to get more eyeliners that are darker, and I got them. So you can see the top one is the Black Walnut, which is like a brown color. And you can blend them out really good if you wanted to do a smoky eye. So definitely gonna keep these. Excited about those. So let's read about these. It says, these right here are, let me see, Audiography Eye Pencils Duo. This super smooth coconut oil infused pencil glides on without dragging at the delicate skinned area around the eyes. These eye pencils are rigid enough to provide a crisp, clean line, yet can easily be smudged during the application for a smoky effect. That's exactly what I just said. Perfect. And these actually retail for $16, so that is great. So the next thing I see is another palette. Great. Right here from Beauty Creations. Cute packaging. Looks like Christmas candy or something. So here is the packaging, like so. And here are the colors. These are really pretty actually. Here are the colors right here. So let's go ahead and swatch these. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch them. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep my arm like this. Hopefully it'll stay focused on my arm and not my face. So I'll start with I'll start up here first. You can see here, and then go this way, this way, this way. So hopefully I have enough room. I'm gonna try and make them as small as I can. So this is the
see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
here they are. So pretty. Really pretty. Perfect for the fall. Here it is once again. Like that. Not sure if I'm gonna keep this one, but it's cute. I might play with it. Let me see, does it have? Yeah, I like this one too. Okay, so that is that. So let's go ahead and read about that one. This one is the Beauty Creations from Esmeralda. This palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and embodies her boss babe side. It is the perfect everyday look palette with mixture of nudes, greens, and even hints of muted yellows to add a pop of color to your day. This 15 shade warm tone palette contains both mattes and shimmers, and this one retails for $13.99. So pretty. So last but not least, I have this right here, which is from Dior. Not Dior, Dior. Right here, it is a lip enhancer. This one is like a lippy lip gloss. Like that. Let's see. Let's put it right here. Show you guys. If I can squeeze it out. It's really thick. Oh, I just turned it brown with the... Oh, it's really thick. Definitely gonna pop this in my purse. Okay, and this one right here is Dior Cosmetics Lip Enhancer infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration, and this one retails for $17. So that is exciting. And that's it, you guys. That is my Boxycharm box for the month of November. Also, there is a coupon code for the Natasha Denona collection. I think she has like a palette collection on her website. If you just go to natashadenona.com and use NDX Boxy, and then you can save, I think 25%, yeah, 25% off of her stuff on her website. But that's it, you guys. I just wanted to show you my Boxycharm box for the month of November. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below, let me know. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video.